I am so irritated right now. Good morning, you guys. I was about to head out. I wanted to show you what I was packing for the week, right? So I'm gonna throw some of this. I just used my frother and put some of my French vanilla a little bit at the bottom and at the top. And I'm just gonna sprinkle some of this. It's so good. Oh my goodness. So yes on that. So this is what I'm rocking for the week. I had hubby grab me on his me time shopping the chocolatey, I can't say it. Chocolatey chip cookie dough, right? These are the protein bars. It's 12 grams of protein. And I took the honey almond, the Nature Valley cereal that we got from Dollar Tree, right? I just put some in here so I could, use it for on top of my yogurt. Yes, on that. So he grabbed me toasted almond, and I kept 2 here and 2 at work, 2 to go to work. And then this one right here, the strawberry cheesecake. So I'm going to use that with that. Yes, on that. So yeah, I'm going to head on out the door quick and fast. And I'm washing towels. It's a whole thing. All right, I'll see you when I get home. Hey guys, I'm home. So why, when I left you guys this morning, on my way to the train, I almost turned around and came back because I forgot my earrings. I went all day like this. I almost had a panic attack. Girl. Me and my earrings, the girls, our bags, all of that. I couldn't believe it. I text hubby. I'm like, I forgot my earrings. Yvonne just took Hershey out. She playing. He was like, you can't run to a cheap store and get some more earrings. I'm like, oh my goodness. But I went to Trader on the way home, so I got to show you what I got. Okay, I tilted the bag so that I could just pull it out, right? So yes, Hershey loves these so much. So the crispy chicken chips, she likes these and the salmon skins, right? So she loves them. So yes on this. So remember I was telling you guys about the jalapeno peppers that I wanted to make? So I don't want to make them with those because they're going to be too hot for me. So I'm going to make them in these, slice them in half, do all the, stuffing, right? Sour cream, cheese, and all of that, right? So yeah, remember I made these before? I feel like it's been over a year now. So I do want a little bit of spice. So I'm going to use the seasoning that I just went buck wild with last week, right? So yes on the jalapeno pepper, the crushed one. I had it on, what did I eat? I put it on something and hubby was like, be careful, babe. I don't even remember now. If it comes to me, I'll let you know. But yes on that, I grabbed, oh, look what I grabbed, Yvonne. Mm-hmm. So I grabbed the whipped light cream, right? Yes on that. Grab this. This is my fave. I put it on almost everything. It's so good. Yeah, this and my adobo, 100% staple. It's a staple now. So I grabbed I grabbed avocados and some fancy mixed nuts. That's what they say, fancy. They say fancy. So the roasted and salted mixed nuts. So I'll just get, handful. If I get hungry, like at night, maybe after dinner or something, I'm not eating anything crazy. She just grabbed that bag. Hold on. I forgot she was laying right here and I threw it. You know how I throw stuff on the floor. She didn't waste no time. I got cauliflower gnocchi. So I'm excited about this. I haven't tried it, but I feel like it's going to be a winner. So yeah, I'm excited about it. So I grabbed that. I grabbed some string cheese. I feel like I'm going to do something with this. I don't know yet. I grabbed some turkey bacon, right? I grabbed 2 packs because it's like 4 slices in each pack. So I just grabbed 2. I had to dig in the bag. Grilled chimichurri chicken thigh skewers. I can't wait to eat these. They look so good. Look at these, Yvonne. Don't they look good? Yeah. roasted red peppers, right? So fire roasted red peppers. So hubby likes, you know, the chicken breast, like a thin chicken breast, right? And then I think I made it on camera before. It's the thin chicken breast, and I'll saute like spinach and garlic and put that on some mozzarella cheese, roasted red peppers, and put like, you know, eat that over pasta. It is so good. That spinach and the pepper with the chicken and the cheese. Fire. Oh, fire. Yes. So that, and oh, I want to make some broccoli fritters, you know, like with the cheese, fry them up or air fry them or whatever. I think that'll be a good snack for me, right? So yes on that. I thought these were interesting, right? These are the vegetable bird's nest. I feel like I'm yelling, like I'm competing with Sydney because she's watching Sesame Street, I think. But, so we're going to rock with that. Well, I am. I know hubby not going to get down. Sydney might try it. I bought some chicken breakfast sausage patties, right? You know how I do my eggs and everything. So I figured I could throw this in the mix. And shredded 3 cheese blend, right? So I want to make, well, I'm going to use it for the broccoli fritters, right? And I also just want to make some crisps, like cheese crisps, right? Like if I'm doing like my egg salad, I can almost, it'll replace a potato chip. You know what I mean? So, I'm excited about that. I grabbed some spinach and artichoke dip. I love this so much. Actually, chip, spinach, artichoke. Yes on that. Yeah, I might do that. I even might do the broccoli fritter with it. This is one of my faves too, the buffalo chicken dip. It is so good. And that's another thing. They sell cheese crisps, you know, like in a pack, like potato chips, right? But I figured I would, you know, make my own. I could have gotten it. I think they're like $3.99 a bag, which is a little bit expensive because the bags are so small. But that's what I would normally eat with this. It's filling and it's just so good. But yes, on the buffalo chicken dip. So, oh my goodness, that's everything, girl. That is everything. So yeah, I'm gonna put everything away. What time is it? That's what I do in the morning, looking at the clock, making sure I don't miss my train. But I made egg salad for dinner, so I might make a chaffle. Remember I used to make those? Oh my goodness. I haven't made one in so long. No, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to eat with the chicken salad. I might just make a crisp or something. I mean the egg salad, right? So hubby's probably going to eat it on a sandwich. I'll see if Sydney wants to try it, and Kara is not rocking at all. So, all right. I'll see you in a few. So it was 2 of them. Yvonne got the first one, and I came in here, and this was, girl, let me clean this up. Burn my arm, girl. Oh my goodness. Taking this out, Kara's Pizza, the other night. I had to get burn cream from the Dollar Tree. So, remember this? I got this, oh man, probably last year. I grabbed it from Aldi's, right? So I'm gonna make the cheese crisp. I'm gonna just use this, what I showed you, right? And I'm gonna sprinkle some of this on top. Yes, on that. Make those quick and fast and throw them in. Cook like 6 minutes or so. So actually I did half and half. I did the hot garlic Parmesan on 4 and then the Parmesan Romano on the other 4. So I'm gonna get them in the oven. Just pulled them out. So right now they're still like a little soft. So I'll leave them on here about 3 minutes or so, 5 minutes. And then I'll be able to pick them right up like chips. And yeah, I'll be good to go. Okay, so just something, yep. So yeah, I'll just munch on these. Oh yeah, they come right up. Yes, on that. I'll just munch on these with some egg salad. Yeah, these are perfect. Yeah, so it's a nice little snack. Hey guys, new day. I am so irritated right now. So I was eating crabs again this past weekend, right? Remember Yvonne got me the crabs the weekend before? So 2 weekends in a row I was crabbing out, right? So that's the dishwasher and Hershey running around tap tap tap. So I had the lights down. I don't have a migraine. It's gone finally. I don't know what did it. But it's gone for now. Yes, on that. So the crabs, right? I was eating the crabs, cracking them. And don't you know one popped, like a teeny popped in my left eye? So I've been kind of irritated. And I'm like, I wonder if that's where the migraine came from. Because I'm constantly trying to like work it out, make myself cry, and all the things. I'm like, maybe I should put on sad music so I could boo-hoo. You know what I mean? But it's very irritating. It feels like it's down here, and I don't know if it's not in there, and maybe I cut it. I don't know, but let me show you what I did with these finishing sugars. I'm about to make my coffee. I think I'm gonna rock this Bridgerton strawberries and cream today. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I can't wait to use it. So I just used the Target tiered right shelf. I think I got it from Target Dollar Spot a couple years ago. And remember the bowl that was here that had this in it, and you know, I moved that because it started to get to be too much over here. So but this is perfect for now anyway. You know, I'm gonna get sick of this soon enough, but right now I like it. So since I've been doing the Harry Potter for a couple days now, I'm gonna switch it up and do this one. But I pulled the maple brown sugar one out of the spice drawer, which I forgot was in there, and salted caramel, that's new. And then the apple cider was in there, right? I threw the cinnamon sugar up here, and the candy cane is here. I still like to, you know, throw the candy cane in, and then I put the little cinnamon toast crunch at the bottom. So yeah, I'm enjoying it for now.